Wrong by Luh Kel. Today guys, I'll teach you how to play the song with your guitar. I put some plucking patterns in the intro part guys. Please check those parts and hope you like it. Let's start this tutorial guys with the chords and the plucking pattern, followed by strumming pattern. Then follow me by playing the whole song. Okay, let's start. These are the chords guys and the plucking patterns for the intro. So the first chord is a simple C chord. Okay. And the plucking for intro is, these are the notes. These are the first notes guys. Okay. Strum, then we're going to pluck the string, the first string at the third fret. Okay, strum, pluck. Okay, that is the first chord and the first notes for the intro guys. Then the second chord is the A minor. The A minor, a simple A minor, C, A minor. And then for the plucking pattern, and then for the intro plucking pattern, A minor here at the 5th fret. I play it first, strum, pluck. Again, one strum. Then the second note is this. The second string will pluck. We're going to pluck this string. Strum, pluck. Okay, second string. The A minor at the 5th fret. Let's play from the beginning, guys. C. Then strum, pluck. Okay, strum, then pluck the string. Okay, then the third chord is the F chord. The index finger at the 1st fret, then ring pinky for 5th and 4th string at the 3rd fret, then the middle on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Okay. Okay, the F chord. And then for the plucking pattern, strum, again, one strum. Then this time, the 1st string at the 3rd fret. Okay. We're going to pluck this. Okay, let's play from the beginning. Strum, pluck. Okay. Strum, 2nd string. Okay, then the 3rd chord is F. Strum, pluck. Okay, here. Okay. Strum, pluck. For the intro, strum, pluck. Then the last chord is a simple G. Okay, the simple G. And then for the plucking pattern, for the intro is here. This is the bass note. Then we're going to use the pinky finger at the 5th fret, 1st string. This is the first note for the G chord. Pluck, we'll pluck together this, the bass note and the 1st string, like this. Okay, pluck, and then the second note is the ring finger, 2nd string at the 5th fret. Okay, pluck. Okay, pluck, then 2nd string. Okay. Okay. Let's play it from the beginning. Okay. Then F. Okay. Then G chord. Okay. Pluck, 2nd string. That's all guys for the chords and the plucking pattern for the intro. Let's proceed for the strumming pattern. This is a strumming pattern that I use guys. Please follow me. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's all guys. Please follow me. Let's play the whole song.